Hello, my name is Richard Bate and I'm a specialist personal injury solicitor. I set up and own Richardsons Co solicitors to ensure that people like you can obtain the compensation that you deserve. I've recorded this video to help you better understand a part of the claims process. One of the things I'm often asked by people is that they've suffered an illness or a disease that has been caused by their working conditions a number of years ago. Now, sometimes an employer may have gone out of business and you may wonder if you can still make a claim, and if so, how do you prove that claim? Now, on our website and on other videos that I've recorded, we've advised you before that with respect to accidents at work, even if your employer that caused the disease following their working conditions that you've had to endure with them, if they've gone out of business, a claim can still in certain cases be brought against them. From 1972, it was compulsory for companies to take out employers' liability insurance and to keep records of the insurance cover that they've held. Before that date, then it may be difficult to locate their insurers. However, we can conduct a search of insurance company databases for you, and we may be able to locate the insurance company for your former employers that was relevant for the period of your employment. If an insurance company can be located, your claim simply continues and we deal with that insurance company on your behalf. It could well be the case that the company is no longer trading under the name that you recall. It may simply have been taken over or become part of a different, larger organisation. We can then take action against that company for you and bring your claim to successful conclusion that way. Some people often wonder, how can you prove that you were exposed to a harmful substance or poor working conditions a number of years ago? Rest assured, your employers were still required to train you and keep records of your employment and of course the working conditions that were in operation during the period of your employment. If that company still trades, or if their insurers can be traced, it's possible we can obtain access to documents that would prove the working conditions you had. That can prove the working conditions you were exposed to beyond a doubt. Further, the insurance company for your former employers may already be aware of the conditions your employer exposed you to, and they could be poor conditions such as excessive noise in the workplace, exposure to asbestos, and that could be based upon previous claims made by others. They may have experience of dealing with such claims and it may be common for such claims to be made. Those insurers may have knowledge of what was contained in documents and they have a history of dealing with such claims. Now, we can also obtain evidence from you and any witnesses you may have, such as perhaps former work colleagues who can confirm the working conditions. We can then make witness statements on your behalf based on your evidence and those of your friends, work colleagues, and that's useful evidence if there are no documents left in anyone's possession. In the absence of any documents being available, proving the situation at that time to the court is always useful by that witness evidence that we can obtain. Therefore, evidence being obtained from you, your family, friends, former work colleagues can be key to the success of your claim. They are difficult claims to make, so it's always best to speak to an experienced and specialist personal injury solicitor as quickly as possible. Now, if you need further information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Please feel free to telephone us, but most of all, visit our website where all the answers can be found, www.theinjurysolicitors.net. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking with you and helping you soon.